Robdoesitall, coming to you live and direct from Skogafoss and Reykjavik, Iceland. Yo, look at that. Isn't that cool? I don't even know if you guys will be able to hear me, but it's massive. It's massive, and the water is like, There's times like this when I think about things that are greater than myself, nature, the world. I'm just a small part of it, and I feel so blessed for all the things I've been through in my life, everywhere that I've been, all the struggles, trials, tribulations, everything. Because I mean, I look at my life today. This is my second time in Iceland. I've been in Iceland 2 times. That's crazy. Oh man. I just wanted to say hello to everybody. Make sure that you're grateful for all the opportunities and life that you have, as I am. And I hope everybody's having a great day. It's been a while since I checked in with my YouTube fam. I always post a lot of shorts and stuff, but I just wanted to do just a proper video. Woo! It's getting kind of wet. My phone's getting kind of wet, so look, I'm gonna catch you guys later. Follow me on all social media at Robdoesitall. Like, share, subscribe, all the YouTube stuff. I'll let you guys later. Peace.